New load just got here. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Been a cold one this week. I got some huge news coming to the channel, and today's the day y'all find out what I've been working on. So we got 5 new Hawaiis in last night. 5 machines, 5 different models that we've never seen on the channel before. So that's not the big news, but that's coming too. 5 new machines to, man, words today. 5 new machines to review, 5 new machines to test. For the actual surprise, we have to go outside in the cold and get in the truck and leave. The surprise is not actually here. So I'll see you guys in the truck here in a second. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Again, not the huge news, but pretty big news. Guess who got the very first upgraded Hawaii 16C in the country? This guy, right here. I got the very first one. That video will be coming soon. All right, so there you go. We just got a new load of Hawaiis in. Some new models we hadn't had yet. We're gonna put those, do some videos on those very soon. There's a little wheeled mini skid in there, a couple of the red units, and the new Shy 15 that just came out. That's not the surprise, FYI. If you stuck around this long, that is not a surprise. So don't click off because you haven't seen the surprise yet. Yes, I'm in the truck. We are currently driving to the surprise. I keep saying surprise. I mean, it's, you guys, it's the big announcement. It's not a machine, but it is machine related. There's gonna be a lot of new content coming. Videos are a little slow right now. I get it. It's because the weather, it's freezing outside. And I'll just be honest, I don't like working out in the cold. So if I don't have to, I don't. So anyways, I'm on the way right now to where I'm taking y'all. So stay with me. I'll be there in just a second and we'll get into the big announcement. All right, we made it. We are pulling in. You guys are about to find out. All right, so just got here. What I'm fixing to show you guys is huge news for the channel. There's so much content that we're fixing to start putting out. Maybe a little slow this winter, but come spring, we got so many projects coming now. I want to show you guys something. If you notice, this is not my house, you know, where I usually film, right? Well, this is a new filming spot though. We just bought this house and it came with this garage. And this house is built in the 60s. I haven't even been inside of it, so I don't know what kind of condition it's in, but from looking at the outside, I'm not gonna fix it up. So the plan is, for this property is tear this house down. And we're gonna do that with, here it is, Chinese machines. Everything on this property we're gonna do with Chinese machines. I'm gonna tear down all these, I don't know if tear down is the right word, but that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna tear down all these trees. I got trees everywhere, the whole back. I'm gonna get rid of all the trees. I'm gonna get rid of the house. The plan is we're gonna keep this shop and we're gonna remodel it, just completely remodel it. Let's walk around here and I'll show you guys some more. It's about an acre is all it is, but it's a nice little corner lot. But again, there's a back of the house over there. That's a well house. So I don't know exactly yet what we're going to do with that, but we're not going to use a well. So we're going to get rid of that. But anyways, we've got tons of content coming. Just off the top of my head, I can think of, we're going to use, oh yeah, I do have a machine coming. I have a machine coming with a mulcher, and that machine is coming specifically to be used on this lot. So I'm going to mulch everything I can. We're We're going to use stump grinders. We're going to use mini X's. We're going to use the mini skids, trenchers, because I'm going to have to put in new utility lines. My plan is with the house though, is to buy a Shy 27. I think that machine will be big enough to tear this house down. I'm either going to do the 27 or the 35. I haven't decided yet, but that'll definitely be a spring thing. But here we go, man. We got tons of content coming, guys. We're going to clean this whole property up after we get it completely cleaned up. This is going to be our new business, our new spot location for our business. We're going to build a new shop around back, big pole barn style, and this is where we're going to move our equipment business to. But we got a lot of work before we can do that. So this is huge news for the channel because it's going to give us tons of content. Not only showing new machines, because I'm going to try, I'll use a ton of different machines while we're here, but also it's real content, shows you what these machines can really do. Tearing that house down is not going to be no joke. That thing was built in the 60s. That's back when they actually still built houses well. It's not the old thin 2x they use now. I mean, those were probably real 2x. But anyways, we're gonna put some machines to the test. I'm gonna get rid of the whole foundation, concrete, everything. So we got our work cut out for us, but we're really excited. We're excited we got the property. For one, we bought this off foreclosure, so we got a great deal on it, but there's a lot of work that needs done here before it can be used for what we want to use it for. But that's it, guys. That's all I got for you today. Like I said, I do have a machine coming with a mulcher. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but that'll be here soon. And I'll tell you this much, I haven't seen any videos of this machine out yet running a mulcher. So I'm not saying they're not out there, but I haven't seen one. Or I've seen a couple clips, really short clips, but I'm going to put this thing to the top. I'm gonna cut down some trees with a mulcher. So that's coming. That should be here, I don't know, a couple weeks, maybe a month. Still gonna be cold then, gonna be the coldest then. So I don't know when we'll start on this, but it's gonna be soon. But I just wanted to update you guys, let you know what's coming. I'm sorry that the videos are slow right now. Like I said, it's freezing outside. I mean, there's no snow, but it's cold. And I don't do cold. Call it what it is, but I don't. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. The channel's doing great, in my opinion, for no longer than we've been doing this. I appreciate every one of you guys. If this is your first time seeing us, hit the like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on, because we got a ton of content coming. Just to give you some info what we do here. We review Chinese machinery, excavators, skid steers, the dumpers, you name it. I got a little bit of everything. I got stuff I've not even put on the channel yet. But that's what we do here. If you want to see that type of stuff, subscribe to us. We'd appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. We're at that point. Oh, sorry. We're at that point where every like, every subscribe, every watch, every click, anything you guys do, even the dislikes, everything helps us. And for some of the stuff we got planned, we need the help. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's all I got for you today. We'll see you guys soon.